Have you wondered how people get tight coils and miniatures perfect with no holes in the center of the tight coils? This is what we are going to talk in today's video. Hi Quillers, this is Agnes from Agnescraft, and I have been into quilling for more than 5 years and have done only few miniatures as I am more interested in making on-edge quilling. This is my first ever miniature and you can clearly see it by seeing. I made the faces using regular safety pin and the holes are much obvious. You can see the other miniatures that I have created so far, and I wish to share what I have learned from these. These coils here are made with different tools and you could see the holes in different sizes. The first one is made with electric quilling tool, then the slotted tool, needle tool and safety pins. You can see the size of holes getting reduced. These two coils are made with safety pin. First with regular safety pin and the second with a smaller safety pin, which I am comfortable with while doing miniature faces. But each of our personal preferences vary and some of my friends would like to have them without even a smallest hole. Take some little water in your fingers and get the tip of quilling paper wet. Now you can roll the paper with your fingers. Start it slow and carefully so the center is tight and perfect. Then keep rolling the whole strip of paper. Here you can see the no-hole coil and the smallest hole coil made using a small safety pin. Now it's your turn to decide which effect you like the most and work on. Give a thumbs up if you like this video and subscribe. Leave your comments on what sort of videos you like in future so that I can share those. Happy quilling!